So this will be the last short that I do for this innopaw hat steamer. What I was trying to say was I knew about this style of machine when it was on a bigger level, but this thing is perfect. I'm getting the second one. I already got an order for it, but I get orders in for hats. I just did this one today. Look how beautiful that white hat came out. Beautiful. I mean, these things is perfect just to make a couple dollars. So this is the last short I'm gonna do for the Interpol hat steamer. If you want something where you can make a couple dollars on cleaning hats, this is a perfect inch. This is a perfect little machine. These things only run about 129 brand new, and I got this one used off of eBay, and I'm now ordering a second one. That's how much work I get in. And let me give you an advice. Well, let me give some advice. If you don't want to, start in wintertime. Because in wintertime, people put their caps up and they're dirty. They don't know where to go with them. Guess what? They'll come to you. I love this, man. You cannot beat this. This hat was beat up, and this is a white hat. I mean, it's bigger. It kind of leaves these spots in because this hat's a big hat, but it still looks better than it was when it came to me. Beautiful. All right. I'm out, guys. If you ain't into it, it is called the Innopaw Hat Steamer. Go check it out. I think Amazon has it.